Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we're diving into the sky-high world of DJI drones. With the advancements in technology, 2025 has brought us some incredible flying machines. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventurous traveler, or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking moments, there's a DJI drone for you. So let's take off and explore the best DJI drones of 2025. Number 5, DJI Mini4 Southeast. Introducing the DJI Mini4 Southeast, the pinnacle of drone technology for 2025. This little and lightweight drone packs a punch with a slew of remarkable features. The Mini4 Southeast features an improved camera with 4K video capability and 12MP stills, allowing users to shoot spectacular aerial photos with incredible detail. Its 3-axis gimbal produces smooth and stable filming even in tough settings. With improved sensors and clever shooting settings, this drone simplifies aerial photography. The DJI Mini4 Southeast has quick shots for easy creative photos, and the panorama mode captures spectacular wide-angle vistas. With enhanced wind resistance and a maximum flight length of 31 minutes, the Mini4 Southeast allows for more airborne exploration. The drone's strong connectivity, thanks to OcuSync 3.0 technology, gives a dependable transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to explore huge places and take film from unusual angles. The updated GPS and obstacle sensors help to safe and precise flight, making it appropriate for both new and expert pilots. The DJI Mini4 Southeast is compact and foldable, making it ideal for recording unique moments while traveling. With enhanced features, remarkable camera capabilities, and an easy-to-use design, the DJI Mini4 Southeast is one of the greatest drones of 2025, changing the possibilities of aerial photography and videography. Number 4, DJI Mini4. Introducing the DJI Mini4, the pinnacle of drone technology for 2025. This tiny and feature-rich drone is intended for both hobbyists and pros, providing an exceptional balance of mobility and cutting-edge functionality. The DJI Mini4 features an improved camera system that shoots beautiful 4K video and 48MP images, guaranteeing that every aerial moment is vividly documented. The drone's excellent obstacle avoidance technology allows it to seamlessly traverse its surroundings, making for worry-free flying. The enhanced battery life allows for longer flying sessions, while the intelligent return-to-home feature offers an added degree of safety. The DJI Mini4 includes intelligent flight modes designed to meet creative needs, such as panoramic pictures, time-lapse, and autonomous subject tracking. Enhanced connectivity features allow for seamless operation and real-time monitoring using the enhanced remote controller or the DJI Fly app. Weighing in at an ultra-lightweight, the DJI Mini4 keeps under regulatory limitations, making it an excellent choice for users of all skill levels. This drone is the pinnacle of innovation, combining excellent performance, intelligent features, and unparalleled portability to reinvent the possibilities of aerial photography and videography in 2025. With its revolutionary features, the DJI Mini4 raises the bar for aerial creativity. The improved 3-axis gimbal stabilization technology delivers smooth and stable footage even in difficult settings. With updated sensors and processors, this drone provides precise and responsive controls, enabling complicated maneuvers and dramatic shots. The DJI Mini4 has a longer transmission range, allowing you to explore and record spectacular views from greater distances. The drone's advanced tracking algorithms allow it to effortlessly lock onto subjects, ensuring that your photos remain centered and sharp. For enthusiasts looking to improve their content creation, the DJI Mini4 provides additional shooting modes such as Pro Mode, which allows advanced users to manually manage camera settings. The addition of smart photography tools such as HDR and hyperlapse expands the creative possibilities. In terms of safety, the DJI Mini4 uses a variety of sensors to avoid obstructions both horizontally and vertically. Its geofencing capabilities assist users in adhering to airspace restrictions, assuring safe and compliant flying. The DJI Mini4 is the ideal drone for capturing life's remarkable moments with unrivaled ease and precision. Whether you're an experienced aerial photographer or a beginner adventurer, This drone will set a new standard for drone technology in 2024. Number 3. DJI Air3. Introducing the DJI Air3, the pinnacle of drone technology for 2025. This tiny and powerful drone has cutting-edge capabilities, making it an excellent choice for aerial enthusiasts. The DJI Air3's sophisticated camera system captures spectacular sights thanks to its high-resolution sensor and better image processing capabilities. It enables 4K video recording with a silky smooth frame rate, resulting in sharp and detailed footage of your aerial experiences. The drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance technology has been improved, ensuring greater safety during flights. With precise sensors and updated algorithms, the DJI Air3 easily navigates difficult environments and avoids obstructions. Enjoy longer flying periods thanks to the updated battery technology, which allows you to capture more stunning moments on a single charge. The enhanced propulsion system provides agile and quick flight control, resulting in an unsurpassed flying experience. DJI's AirSense technology is integrated to improve safety by providing real-time awareness of surrounding manned aircraft. This function adds to a safer and more responsible flying experience while adhering to aviation laws. The DJI Air3 has a variety of intelligent flight modes, such as automated tracking, cinematic shots, and waypoint navigation. These capabilities allow both new and experienced pilots to easily capture professional quality content. The DJI Air3 provides a flawless flying experience because of its intuitive and user-friendly remote controller. The drone's tiny and folding design improves portability, making it convenient to bring along on your trips. Whether you're a photographer, content maker, or simply looking for an exciting flying experience, the DJI Air3 represents the pinnacle of drone technology in 2024, combining innovation, safety, and excellent performance in a compact and portable package. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is one of the greatest drones in 2025, combining cutting-edge technology with unique features for flying enthusiasts. The Mavic 3 Pro features a powerful Hasselblad camera that captures breathtaking 20MP stills and 5.1K video, ensuring unsurpassed image quality. Even in tough lighting circumstances, the big 1-inch sensor and adjustable aperture allow for fine depth of field adjustment. The drone has advanced obstacle avoidance sensors on both sides, ensuring safe and intelligent navigation during flight. The increased battery life extends flying time, letting users to capture more spectacular moments without regular interruptions. The Mavic 3 Pro includes intelligent shooting modes such as Active Track 5.0 for smooth subject tracking and Smart Photo, which automatically optimizes camera settings based on the scene. The updated O3 Plus gearbox system provides a strong and reliable connection, allowing pilots to fly longer distances with confidence. More in upgraded focus track technology, the drone provides users more creative freedom, allowing them to effortlessly create professional-level footage. The improved shape improves aerodynamics, leading to smoother flights and more precise control. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship drone that incorporates cutting-edge technology, setting new standards in aerial photography and filming, making it the top choice for both drone enthusiasts and professionals in 2025. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro's enhanced features elevate the drone experience in 2025. An omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, backed by powerful sensors and AI algorithms, provides unprecedented flight safety. Pilots can comfortably navigate difficult environments knowing that the Mavic 3 Pro can intelligently avoid obstacles in all directions. The drone's expanded autonomous features, such as GPS waypoints and automated return-to-home functions, ensure a smooth and worry-free flight. Combined with enhanced GPS accuracy, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures exact placement even in tough settings. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini4 Pro, the pinnacle of drone technology for 2025. This little yet powerful drone revolutionizes aerial photography with a slew of cutting-edge features. The Mini4 Pro features a sophisticated camera that takes breathtaking 4K video and high-resolution photos, providing exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best DJI drones of 2025 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.